So if Father Mbaka and Evangelist Ebuka Obi settle this their misunderstanding now, would Evangelist Ebuka still remain an RNG? What is fake will fade, or is he going to turn to original man of God now? If everyone is speaking of peace, 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 peace. Yes, I want peace. I mean, all of us, we should be talking about peace. But something needs to be done. That is the reason why I said, you guys, adoration members and the empire need to apologize to Evangelist Ebuka Obi. You guys need to tender a public apology to him before you try to talk about anything peace, because for real, you guys dealt with him. You know, everyone have their way of reaction, like reacting to whatever trend or whatever issue. Mine is different. I'm more concerned about some certain things which you guys did to Evangelist Ebuka in the past. The propaganda, the lies, the humiliation. A lot happened then. I know a lot of people that always tell me that they are kind of losing interest to Zelm ministry because of all these things, and they are not sure if he's real. You know, since Pai came out to say all these things, a lot of people told me that for real, a lot, and I will try to explain. Say no, he is real for real. Should I start from the angle of Father Nwebe Joy? Father Nwebe Joy, you guys are pushing him. He was saying a lot of things. Every day he carry his rosary on Facebook. That Virgin Mary told him that this movement is false. Father Nwebe Joy, he always carry his rosary then. That Virgin Mary told him that this movement is false. This movement is fake. Those crowds to Anna, okay, I'm going to get beer. Everywhere in that ministry is dark. They are not from God. And later he will go to adoration ministry and be dancing. You guys are not here. Nwebe Joy, Nwebe Joy, Nwebe Joy. He was humiliating Evangelist Ebuka and everything. And now you guys are talking about peace. So if Evangelist Ebuka and Father Mbaka reconcile today, would that vision Father Nwebe Joy said that the Blessed Virgin Mary showed him that Zelm ministry movement is fake, would that vision will be revised to original? Because definitely you guys not gonna be dealing with a fake man of God. You guys not gonna be dealing with an arranged man of God. You guys not gonna be dealing with him. You're not gonna be dealing with him, obviously, because he came out to tell the world that he is fake. That is why I said, you guys need to apologize to Evangelist Ebuka before anything. If not, for me, nothing like peace. Nothing like peace. Because you guys wanted to destroy him. You guys try your all possible means to mess him up. Should I talk about the Ndinka adoration members and that on Facebook? They rubbish. Remember that when this incident happened in Enugu, adoration members were saying that it's arranged. That is not true. That's how Evangelist Ebuka Zelm ministry used to arrange. That's why they arranged love it and they later do investigation. And they, adoration members, they were kind of trying to form a group to investigate, which I told them that I want to be part of that group. That is arranging this and that one. So now it's no longer Zelm ministry that arrange it. Now when we're in the church, Abia for her. Oh, when the church, Abia acknowledge her. That's why Ejike don't open that stadium. And you idiot, you shameless idiot, I'm talking when I'm talking. Call yourself blogger, you win adoration. You guys are wicked. You guys don't have conscience. of things to be said. There are a lot of things that sometimes when I think about it, I go crazy. A lot regarding this whole thing. Why didn't he go and acknowledge him? Why didn't he go and acknowledge him? After all this humiliation, after all these things you guys did to him. Ebuka Father Nwebe Joy, Rosary. Virgin Mary Guariana movement here fake. This one and that one. Up to go on, was a missing on. Mbaka America. Oje, why in a Zion? Or there bra. Oje, he came home. I get close to that place. All because of the high pain you guys were giving to Father Nwebe Joy that made him to say that Evangelist become them. I'm going to be more careful. The video evidence there. It's not as if I'm capping. I'm not capping, bro. You guys, you are gingering him. You adoration members, you are gingering him on his comment section, sharing, posting. Father Nwebe Joy was doing all those things in the influence of what Mbaka said. As far as I'm concerned, nobody showed him anything regarding their ministry. He was doing all those things because of the influence of what Mbaka said, especially after they planned that whole of it issue. After he said that love stuff happened in their ministry, and everything was kind of playing like a movie. They make it to be real, and some people believed them a lot. And I believe that they say because their ministry. What is fake will fade. Just give it a time. What is fake will fade. Now, suddenly, out of nowhere, you want the fake evangelist to come and visit you. You send water for them to, that means you want to promote or support the RNG movement. You want to promote and support the RNG movement. You think you are telling a kid. I always tell you guys that I'm not daft. Some of you out there may be daft, but for me, I'm not. God forbid. I'm not. That's why I said, you guys need to tender a public and sincere apology to Evangelist Ebuka Obi and Zion Ministry. You all. Then, before you guys can talk about peace. If they reconcile today, would Evangelist Ebuka still remain RNG, or is he going to turn to original? And if Evangelist Ebuka will turn to original, what happened to all those blackmailing them? All those lies against him then? All those insults people threw at him then? What's going to happen to it? If they reconcile, that's how people always tell me, hey, they will reconcile. If they reconcile, we'll know what you guys will be saying. This one, that one. But what's going to happen with what they said to him then? You guys are thinking about what we guys, we bloggers will be doing, or what someone like me will be doing. You guys should be thinking of what's going to happen with what you guys said about him then, and how negative it affected him then. The thing is that if not for God, maybe by now, anywhere Evangelist Ebuka pass, people will just pour spit on him. If not for God, for his mercy, God that has been fighting the battle for him, he's not reacting on anything. Oh no, people will be believing on it, dealing with it. If not for God today, ministry. If not for God today, if I didn't say like this, people go they pour spit on him. All because of all those things you guys said. Now you're talking about peace. He didn't come. He made a mistake. He didn't come. After all these things, you guys have forgotten. Meru na dine chefu. Man onye meru, I mean, anahe chefu. The person that did will always forget, but the person he did to would never forget in his life. You guys have easily forgotten what you did then. I'm asking, if they settle today, the adoration members say no go. Would Evangelist Ebuka still remain only RNG? Or is he gonna turn to original overnight? And if he's turned to original overnight, what's gonna happen to people that believe all those conspiracies, all those lies against him? What's gonna happen to it? For honor.